name is Elaine, I'm 17 years old. I attend the Manchester College Gina Simon campus. My mom is my inspiration. Her name is Naima Emma Ankora. She is a hairdresser and a makeup artist. She taught me that if you set your mind to some things, you can achieve it. Mom grew up in Ghana with one older sister and two younger brothers. My mom basically raised me and my brothers by herself. I've seen that isn't easy. She always pushes herself. I'm proud of her for that. Because she keeps going, she's my inspiration. My mom is very self-disciplined because if she sets her mind to something, she wants to achieve it. My mom is very courageous because it takes a lot of courage to raise 3 children by yourself. My mom and I may not always see eye to eye, but I love her and I'm proud for everything she did for me and my brothers. And I'm proud to say that she's my mom.
There's no way I can pay you back, but my plan is to show you that I understand. You all appreciate it.
Don't you know we love you, sweet
And dear mama,
please no one above you,
you all appreciate it.